Hello everyone, this is Box FM and I'm Archie Shrishti. We have today with us Chitransh. Chitransh बोलेंगे? Chitransh Yadav. So recently we launched a product which is very health based, guilt free and protein rich too. So what's the vision behind this product?
So essentially the vision behind it is very simple.
Yeah.
We wanted to revolutionize India की munching habits. And जैसे आप शाम की चाय consume करते हैं, so you either end up eating namkeen or butter, which is very dense in fats and not good for your health. So आपके heart के लिए it's not good long run. We have two flavors.
Okay.
We have named them red flag and green flag.
Okay.
So green flag is for the moderate spice palate wala people, and peri peri is for the red flags.
As we can see कि जितने भी इनका जो प्रोडक्ट का नाम है और जो भी इसमें सब कुछ है ना, सब कुछ बहुत ही जेंजी स्टाइल है.
Exactly.
एक तो हेल्थ मॉन्क,
I'm a
मुझे
Gen Z
पता है
founder,
आपको, या जेंजी है हमारे
हाँ जी,
साथ.
हाँ जी.
तो एक तो हेल्थ मॉन्क सुनते ही कुछ याद आ जाता है.
हाँ जी.
दूसरा इसमें if you can see we have trail mix. You can see makhana, roasted soya nut, almond, so many things. मतलब
Yeah.
being a Gen Z and being so aware about health these days, मतलब there's a combination.
So I had quite a journey of my own.
Okay,
I
so
was-
would you like to share?
Yeah, I was a fat kid back in high school.
Okay.
And then I joined the basketball team, and
Yeah.
then with the right choices, and then I came up sahi weight category mein. So that's how it ended for me, and that's what I wanted to do for the community as well.
Okay.
So इस तरीके से हेल्थ मंक की शुरुआत हुई.
Okay.
And back in uni there was so less options for me to snack on.
Okay.
So after gym I used to end up eating Domino's. हाँ जी. So the whole idea behind Health Monk is I have to create the whole ecosystem,
Okay.
and it's a 3-phase startup. So our first phase is snacking brand. Then we are gonna step into Horeca, and that's for the later part. So that's how we started, and this is our very first product. We're gonna do more, and that's happening. But yeah, for now we have trail mix. So under 120 calories you get 6 grams worth protein, and it's basically 30 grams per serve.
Yeah.
So 20% of it is whole protein. So that's how we came up with it.
But-
And it has very less calories.
Yeah.
So आपके एक चाय की कप से भी, चीनी वाली चाय के कप से भी कम इसमें कैलोरीज है. So you get 6 grams of protein while consuming a chai without guilt.
But there are so many protein products out there. So many brands are offering protein. Why you chose dry fruits?
No, we don't have dry fruits. We have lentils,
Okay.
we have soya,
Okay.
we have makhana.
Yeah.
We don't have anything uptight.
Okay.
We have we wanted to keep it economical कि सब लोग अच्छा खा पाएं, and at a very nice price range हम offer करेंगे इसको
Yeah.
when we'll come live with our e-com store. So हमें सबको अच्छा फूड खिलाना था. That was our main motive.
Yeah.
इसके पीछे मतलब कुछ वैसा नहीं था कि I have to earn big or something like that.
Okay.
So that's why I came up with a economical trail mix, you can say. So इसके पीछे vision यही था
Okay.
कि I have to feed India good.
What's your age, Chitransh?
23.
23. At the age of 23, he's singing so much about the product and business and all, so many things.
Yeah.
How, I want to know, except the product, I want to know the backstory behind it. How you get motivated for it? Obviously, you've told,
As I told
you
you
are a
my
fan
journey,
kid. Yeah, we know that story. But keeping your business mind so alive and entering in this field, which is already very risky, and being so creative at this, how you came up with all
So the industry is booming right now,
Yeah.
and if you have the right mindset
Yeah.
and you jump in it, you can get the most out of it.
Yeah.
That's the whole motive.
Do you have a business background or?
Yeah, I come from a business family.
Okay, the genes to वही business वाले.
I guess so.
Okay.
I'd like to think so.
Okay, so you got support from family, friends, anyone?
Yeah, I mean they are all very supportive.
Okay. So, any particular thing they helped you in, whether for investment part or for the creative idea part or anything?
No, I did everything on my own.
Okay.
Investment was all my savings and bootstrapping.
Okay.
So that's how it started, and then abhi we are just a week old, so we are very young.
Yeah.
So let's see where it takes us.
Okay. वैसे नेम बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है, हेल्थ मॉन्क. हाउ यू केम अप विद द नेम हेल्थ मॉन्क? व्हाई हेल्थ मॉन्क?
So the monks are very soulful and very happy, and that's what I want to do with people.
Okay. The name is also very calm and disciplined. Health
Exactly.
monk. Yeah.
So Gen Z, full of chaos.
Yeah.
Meeting with monk.
Yeah.
So it's kind of chaos and soulfulness and happiness, happy-go-lucky environment.
Yeah.
That's how we wanted to do it.
So at such a young age, you have started this business, and what are your
Yeah.
future plans?
I mean, I told you it's a 3-phase startup,
Yeah.
but I don't want to show you my cards right now. So
Yeah, no one wants to reveal
my
the
first
secret
phase
plan.
is snacking brand, and we have
Okay.
stepped into it, and let's see where it takes us.
Okay. So basically, obviously, you don't want to reveal your trade secret,
Yeah.
but still, there must be some plans because there's a long way to go. You have started
Yeah.
such early, and there's so many scope you can explore, discover. So something.
So our first phase is snacking. Then second, we are going to step into Horeca.
Horeca. What
Horeca.
does that mean?
Hotels, restaurants, and cafes.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are gonna do meals
Okay.
for people who cannot afford to go to Subway or California burritos every day.
Okay.
And then the third stage is gonna be AI.
Wow.
So
and
that's
how
how-
you gonna use AI?
Again, not showing you my cards. Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, so we wish you a very good future with that.
Thank
and
you so
it's
much.
lovely talking to you. तो
Likewise,
अगर
likewise.
जितने भी Gen Z listeners हैं, जितने भी millennials listeners हैं, सबके लिए वो वाला monk छोड़ के health monk को आप try कीजिए. It's kind of super amazing. सारे trail mix आप इसमें देख सकते हैं. It contains everything, every superfood ingredient it has. Thank you so much, Chitraj,
Thank
for
you so
talking
much,
to
Srishti.
us. Thank
It was a pleasure.
Okay.
Thank you so much for
Thank
hosting
you.
me.
Thank you.